find cars, the best place is, yes, it's cities obviously in the map. So any city that you guys see, such as Pleasant, Lazy Lake, anywhere like that, you're gonna see more cars, but they are all the way around the map itself. To drive and get into a car, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is just press this square, then go. To go, just have to press this right here, R2. And to drive, it's pretty easy, just your joysticks. And yes, it's best to get one of the faster cars, such as this one right here in front of me. It's way better, it's a lot faster, plus it's got boost. Now in order to brake, use your brakes, hit this, L2, and you can go backwards. This is forwards, this is backwards. Now in order to get out of your car, it's just right here. Just hold square and you're out. It's the same thing to get into a passenger car. So if you guys want to be passengers, somebody else is driving, square, it's the same thing. So in order to find these faster cars, well, it's a matter of luck. Now we've been pretty lucky at Lazy Lake in this location, but they are all over the map. And yes, it's the type of car that you want because you can kill people pretty fast, pretty easy, and you do have boost for it. Now if you've noticed that your car's going way too slow, don't worry. That's because you're not riding on a street. So just find some streets and ride right there. Because it's gonna go a lot slower if you go on grass. So as you guys can see, when on grass, it's gonna go slower and slower eventually. So just keep going on roads, and that's how you guys can get out of stuff really fast. Now if you want to collect any items on the ground, you don't have to get off your car. You can just ride over them and they're gonna be picked up. So obviously that only applies to certain things such as bullets, mats. However, if you guys want to pick up guns, you do have to get off in order to pick those up. And to shoot anybody out of the car, if you're a passenger, all you have to do is aim. We're pressing this to aim, and then breaking out of the car, and we can start shooting already. As you guys can see, this car isn't the best. You should always get a faster car. As long as it has full gas, it's gonna go pretty fast. It's gonna go really slow once you're running out of gas though. There's another car. To find cars, well, it's kind of hard to find cars because they can be all over the map really. And the fastest cars that you guys can actually get is this one right here. This one actually has boost and goes really fast. So to kill somebody, you can run over them pretty easy. However, in order to run fast, as mentioned before, you do need to gas it up. So in order to fill up a car, you guys can always go up to a gas station and we can just pump it up. And to pump it up, just do this and you can fill it up anywhere really. So you can even jump over it, but it's not gonna be that great. Right now it's full, so we're good to go. We can also pick up those gas things around the map. So there should be some inside here. So right now, right here is one of these gas cans. We can pick it up and we can take it for the road to keep gassing up our car. So if we want to gas up our car, same deal. We can just go on our car and gas it up. Right now it doesn't need any, but you just need to press this. This is R2 in order to gas it up. Right now it's full again, so I'm just gonna get in passenger. Alright, so right now it's out of fuel, so what we're gonna do is just fuel it up a little bit more so we can keep going. There is a truck coming our way, and if they hit you, yeah, they can kill you. And he got me. As you guys can see, you could just run over people in order to kill them. Now, if your own teammates hit you with their own car, it's not gonna take any health away from you. Another favorite place to land is Pleasant in order to get cars. Pleasant has quite a bit since it's a big place. As mentioned, in order to get into a car, all you have to do is press square, then accelerate, as so. And if you do have boost, which this one doesn't, you would press circle, but this one doesn't. So if you get one of these faster cars to boost, as mentioned, it's circle. You just hold on to circle, it's gonna go fast. Of course, you need a full tank of gas in order to go really fast. So you'll notice that these faster cars go actually maybe almost twice as fast as the other ones. Plus you do have that extra boost. And yes, you can even ride your cars on water up to a certain point. I'm just gonna get across. If you've noticed that your car is going very slow, it might be because you're almost out of gas. So it can only go at a certain speed, even the fast cars. You can even get in when an enemy is driving a car. Now there's no way right now of hitting them. Hopefully that's something that Epic will edit, because it only makes sense that if you're with an enemy, you would be able to hit them somehow. But you can just be a passenger, and they can't do anything to you either. If you want to kill somebody that's in a car, then one of the easiest ways is to actually get in the car with them, but you need a weapon. You cannot pickaxe them if they're in the car and you're a passenger. Obviously, we can always run them over. Take our car, drive it in water. Yes, they float. They indeed float. Up to a certain point. Then you're gonna start drowning, like so, and the car's gonna stay underneath the water. So you can't just stay in the car in the middle of the ocean or a river. However, what you can do, you still can do actually, even in a river like so, is get into the car. So we're gonna do that. To get into the car, just dive in, or square, and it's gonna kick you out right away. So yes, there isn't much we can do. We can only do this, and then over it. And it's gonna be in there for a second. It's gonna keep kicking us out. And yes, we can go over water. You just have to go fast and go right through it, because you will float for a few seconds. And yes, if you're going faster with a faster car, sure, it's gonna be easier. Just gonna go back for that AI that we just saw there. I'm assuming it's an AI. Which just got eliminated. I thought it would survive there for a second.